Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the Purple Rain Racing channel again. Glad you could join us and thank you for liking and subscribing. Well, I told you that we would do some different things here, and I told you in the past on the introduction video that we were going to let you be a part of us putting this thing back together. Well, that day is today. We're going to set my little peanut back in this old clap wagon and get started on it. I know some of you are going to probably notice or comment on it and say, wait a minute, you don't have an engine diaper on that thing, or there's this missing or that missing. Well, it does have to come back out because right now we're test fitting for a mid plate and everything. And once I get that in, we got to pull the motor back out, and so I can paint all that stuff up and you know, kind of make her look as pretty as she can, you know. So anyway, well, we're going to go ahead and get started, so here we go. All right, guys, well, we've got the little peanut in the air. Got it off the motor stand, and getting ready to set it in here so we can get our bracket straight for the mid plate and everything. I guess, well, I'm going to stop talking now because we got work to do. So here we go. Wish us luck. All right, guys, as you can see, we got the little peanut back in Purple Rain, but we're going to have to call it a day because, well, we got a few other things we got to do. I think we're going to end up having to pull the motor back out because, as you can see on this side, the mid plate is hitting the frame, and it's in a bind. Basically, I can't grind anything or cut anything off of it while it's there, so I'm gonna have to pull it out, pull the motor back out. And then over here we have like a gap. So before any of y'all say, well, the frame must be twisted. No, it's not. This car has been on a frame machine and checked a few times because I've been running it without a mid plate. So, and we have solid body mounts in it and motor plate, frame connectors, cage, the whole 9 yards. So no, it's no frame twist. It's just the mid plate was cut wrong, I guess. So anyway, that's where we stand now. Until next time, see you in the beans.